Hi everybody, Sarah here with Salmond. Today we're going to put together these adorable utensil holders for our 4th of July get together. I hope you stick around and see how we put these together. For this project, I'm just going to be using 3 of the hanging mason jars that they have at Dollar Tree. I found these up in their seasonal 4th of July section in the red, white, and blue. And I'm going to be using 3 letters out of their wooden letter packages that you can pick up back in the crafting area. And what I'm going to do with the letters is I'm going to use my silver leafing pen, and I'm just going to color the letters silver so that they'll stand out against the colors of the glass. While the USA letters are drying, I'm going to take 6 stars, and I have 3 larger ones and 3 smaller ones, and I'm going to paint them with a metallic gold paint pen that I have here, and then I'm going to go ahead and let those dry before assembling everything. Alright, now that all the paint is dried, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the letters onto the jars. And it feels like my hot glue gun may be giving it up. I may have to buy a new one soon. But I've had it for about 20 years, so it's been a very good glue gun for me. Alright, and then once those are dry, I am going to just take this cotton twine that I have. Now you can use, if you want to go for the look a lot of people are doing, you can use the regular twine, but I decided for this, being red, white, and blue being the theme, that I was just going to go ahead and use this cotton twine. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to wrap it around the top of the jar. I'm going to put a dab of hot glue on the back to secure it. Okay, and I'm going to just leave it at about right there. I may get one more wrap around. I'm just keeping it in between the sections where the lid would screw on. I'm going to hot glue that again at the back. And again, this being for the 4th of July, I'm not doing anything real permanent. These are going to be utensil holders for our party. Okay, once I have all the twine around neatly at the top, you can see it's not quite so neat in the back, but like I said, that's okay. They're going to be utensil holders, and you're only going to see the front. I am going to take just a small piece of the same twine, and I'm going to bring it through the hanger here on the side. and I'm going to have it just offset a little bit, and I am going to put the stars, just hot glue them a little bit, but I'm going to glue them so they look like they are hanging from the twine itself. I want that one a little bit shorter, and then I'm going to put the larger one over here at the side. Okay, so there's the first one. And I'm going to go through, pull off some of these hot glue strings, and then I'm going to go through and do the other two, and then these will be ready to set out with utensils. So here are the finished utensil holders. They came out really cute, and as you can see, they're the perfect size to hold plenty of spoons, forks, and knives for your next get-together. So these will definitely be going out on the buffet. I think they're a real space saver, and they just add such a cute touch. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.